This video is going to show you how to create a page in your PLP. So if you navigate to your side menu where you have home, futures, graduation pathways, yearly planning, etc., these are all the main pages. And then when there's a drop-down arrow, that means that there are additional sub-pages underneath those. What we're going to do is we are going to learn how to, under graduation pathways or other pages, but we're going to work specifically in this page right now, add a page under the traditional, like this global studies, and then learn how all of these flexible ones were created. So if you click on traditional, because that's where we need to create a page, all of your flexible pathways have been created for you. You'll see this area to map out your classes. So say you're a 9th grader and right now in semester 1 or in semester 2 or whatever, you're going to fill in the classes that you're in. So English 9, Algebra 1, Global Citizenship, Global Studies for Global Citizenship, Science 9, and maybe you're in Art Foundations right now. And then you have a Lifetime Sports for PE. So what you're going to do is we're going to make a page. So see how Global Studies is underlined? That means there's already a page there. So we'll be able to click it and get to a Global Studies page like so. It's just not loading, so we're going to move past it. I'm going to move myself to the other side of the screen because now you are on your traditional progress page and you have your classes loaded in. They're typed in under the credit that you're receiving for them. So over on your right side over here, there is this Insert Pages and Themes menu. You're on Insert right now. You're going to click on Pages and go there. So now we're going to see a really similar menu to what was on the left side of our PLP homepage. We're dropped down in graduation. We're working on the traditional page. That's where we want to add the sub-pages. So we're going to hit this little arrow right here to drop down again. And there's the Global Studies page. It looks like this. So this is what we're going for. Back on your traditional page, you're going to hit this plus in the circle. And it says New Page, if you can see it right to the left. So you're going to click that. And it's a new sub-page. So we are going to say, let's make one for Algebra 1 with Miss Emma. Oops. So you've named it, and you're going to hit Done. And now it's going to show up in just kind of anywhere it wants to. So what you'll do is you're going to put your mouse over it so that it's highlighted in blue like it is right now. You're going to click and see how you're moving it, and there's now a blue box around flexible, a blue box around global studies, and now there's a blue box around traditional. So you've dragged Algebra 1 up to traditional. You're going to click, let go, and now it's going to load Algebra 1 right there. So to link this subpage, because now it's there, you have a place to put your Algebra 1 evidence. You're going to navigate back to your main traditional page. You can do this by clicking on these words right here to the traditional page, or by going through this process again and clicking those words. Either way, you'll end up back here. What you're going to do is you're going to find your Algebra 1 class right here, highlight it, and now this menu has popped up above where we highlighted. So you're going to find the Insert Link button, which kind of looks like a sideways paperclip like this, and you're going to click Insert Link. This, so your text is Algebra 1, and then for link, it pulls up all of the different pages that are currently in your PLP. So you're just going to find the one that says Algebra 1 because that's the page that you want to link right now. So it's right here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit Apply. And now it's there. Now you'll see it's underlined, and you'll be able to click on those words, and it'll bring you to the Algebra 1 page that you just created. It will, I promise. It's just loading. So then you can go through that same process for English 9, Science 9, Art Foundations, and whatever other classes you're putting in there as you're going through this. And then that's the same process that you'll use when you're adding other pages to your traditional graduation progress. If you're going to flexible, and you're wanting to upload some information for global studies or global citizenship, you'll click there and you'll see that these subpages are already created for you if you are using the flexible pathway to graduation. But either way, that is how you can create a page if you're needing it in your PLP.